Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Today I will discuss one of the most nutritious and easy to grow vegetables, okra, also known as ladyfinger or locally bhindi. Okra plant has edible flowers and fruit used in different cuisines, especially in the subcontinent. The sowing season for okra seeds is between January and February. In cold areas, sow its seeds after mid-February or when winter is over. Okra is usually available in burgundy, green and white colors. Its varieties are spineless and spiny, but the former is considered easy to harvest. The seeds of okra are easily available in nurseries. Its seeds are large and hard-shelled. The edible seeds are white. Soak the okra seeds overnight or for at least 8 hours before sowing. It will soften them and make their growth easy. Sow the seeds 1 inch deep into the ground. While sowing seeds, the potting mix should be slightly moist and without any stones. Never let the soil dry during the first few weeks. Don't shift the okra plant from one place to another because it may hinder its growth. However, if the space is limited, at first sow its seeds in cups or seedling trays. Then transplant it to the permanent position after appearing 4 to 5 true leaves. In favorable conditions, the seeds grow in 5 days to 2 weeks, depending on the soil enrichment, weather, watering schedule, and the quality of the seeds. When the seedlings start growing, use a green net to keep the birds away. At the early stage, the early morning sunlight for a few hours is enough for the seedlings. Initially, use a minimal quantity of fertilizer for the seedlings, but once 4 to 5 true leaves appear, provide the seedlings with any of the nitrogen-rich fertilizers every fortnight. A small quantity of liquid fertilizer diluted in water is another option for the okra seedlings.
Thanks for watching.